Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Kia Soul. First, always make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Next, insert your key completely into the ignition. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your right foot. These initial steps prepare your vehicle for a smooth and safe start every time you get behind the wheel. Once you've completed the initial safety checks, it's time to engage the ignition. Gently turn the key clockwise to the ACC position, which activates accessories like the radio. Continue turning the key to the on position. This powers up your dashboard lights and systems. Finally, turn the key fully to the start position and hold it for a moment until the engine catches. Release the key immediately once the engine starts. For Kia Soul models equipped with a push-button start, the process is slightly different. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle, perhaps in your pocket or a cup holder. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. With the brake engaged, simply press the engine start/stop button one time. The engine should then smoothly come to life, ready for your journey. It's a convenient and modern way to begin your drive. After your Kia Soul engine starts, take a moment for a few quick checks. Confirm that all dashboard warning lights, except for the seatbelt reminder, have turned off. Glance at your fuel gauge and other essential indicators to ensure everything is in order. Finally, adjust your mirrors and seat to your preferred driving position. These simple post-start checks ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience every time you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.